Fun fact, Grenada's famous black sand beaches aren't just beautiful, they're exploding volcanoes frozen in time. Here's the wild science behind them. Grenada sits on the Lesser Antilles volcanic arc, where the Atlantic tectonic plate is slowly diving under the Caribbean plate in a process called subduction. This creates enormous heat and pressure, 100 to 200 kilometers deep, melting rock into magma. That magma rises because it's less dense, punches through the crust, and erupts as volcanoes. Grenada itself is the tip of a massive underwater volcano that last erupted on the surface about 2 million years ago. The key ingredient? Basalt magma. Dark, iron, and magnesium-rich, low in silica. Unlike sticky, explosive rhyolite magma that makes light pumice, basaltic magma is runny and super hot, up to 1200 degrees Celsius. When this red-hot lava pours into the cold Caribbean Sea, the temperature shock is insane. Over 1,000 degrees Celsius difference in a split second. The outer layer of lava instantly solidifies into glass, while the inside is still liquid, causing the whole flow to shatter into tiny fragments in a violent steam explosion called a literal blast. These fragments cool so fast they form glossy black grains of volcanic glass and crystals of magnetite, pyroxene, and olivine, all heavy, dark minerals. Over thousands of years, relentless waves grind these fragments smaller and smaller, sorting them by density. The heavy black minerals, magnetite especially, stay on the beach while lighter quartz and coral bits wash away. That's why Grenada's black sand literally sparkles with tiny metallic flecks and can even be picked up with a magnet. Walk on Grand Anse or La Vera Beach after a storm, and you'll see pure black streaks. Fresh volcanic sand dumped by currents from the still active underwater volcano, Kikum Jenny, just 8 kilometers offshore. Those beaches also get noticeably hotter than white sand because dark grains absorb way more sunlight, sometimes reaching 60 degrees Celsius plus at noon. Locals joke you can fry an egg on them. The iron content slowly rusts in the air, giving the sand a faint reddish-brown halo around the waterline. So next time you're sinking your toes into Grenada's jet black paradise, remember, every grain was once molten rock that exploded out of the earth, cooled in milliseconds by the ocean, and spent millennia being polished by waves. You're standing on the pulverized heart of an ancient volcano that's still alive beneath the waves. Pure geology magic.